Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to fix your RealMe 5S with a screen flickering issue. The flickering screen can be a sign of a hardware issue, especially if your phone was dropped on a hard surface. However, if it's not due to a physical damage, then it can be due to a minor firmware issue or even due to some apps. So if you're one of the RealMe 5S owners who's currently bugged by this issue, here's what you should do. First solution, close all apps running in the background. It's possible that the screen flickering you're experiencing is because there are a lot of apps that use your phone's memory. Try closing apps that run in the background and see if that fixes the problem. To do so, tap the Recent Apps key at the lower left corner of the screen. Now tap Close All to force stop all applications running in the background. After doing that, move on to the next solution. Second solution, force restart your phone. While the first solution might be enough to fix the flickering issue, it's better to refresh its memory and reload all its services. You have to do the forced restart. It's safe yet very effective. Here's how it's done. Press the volume down button and the power key at the same time and hold them both for 10 seconds. This will trigger your device to shut down and power back up. Once your phone vibrates, release both keys and wait until the reboot is done. After the reboot, try to see if the screen flickering is gone. Third solution, reset all settings on your phone. After doing the first two solutions and your phone screen is still flickering, what you need to do next is to reset all its settings. This will bring your phone back to its default configuration without deleting your files. Here's how it's done. Pull up the app drawer and tap Settings. Scroll down a bit and tap Additional Settings. Scroll down again and tap Backup and Reset. Tap Erase All Data, and then touch Reset System Settings Only. Enter your security lock if prompted, and then tap Reset System Settings Only at the bottom of the screen. Tap Reset System Settings Only one more time to proceed with the settings reset. After the reboot, try to see if the problem is fixed. If your phone still flickers, then you have to do the next solution. Fourth solution, factory reset your phone. As long as it's not due to a hardware damage, the screen flickering can be fixed by the first three solutions. However, if the issue persists or if it occurs occasionally, then you will have to reset your device. A reset will fix this kind of problem, but make sure to create a backup of your important files. When you're ready, follow these steps to reset your phone. Pull up the app drawer and tap Settings. Scroll down a bit and tap Additional Settings. Scroll down again and tap Backup and Reset. Tap Erase All Data, and then touch Erase All Data again. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase Data at the bottom of the screen to proceed with the reset. Now wait until your phone finishes the reset. Once the reset is complete, set up your RealMe 5S as a new device. We hope that this guide can help you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure you enable the notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new videos. Thanks for watching.